Hello guys, welcome back to Line App. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to reset Nissan Qashqai radio. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Qashqai radio here and you're wondering how to exactly reset, well, this one is going to be fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to find your radio's power button. So depends on your current radio here. Usually it's going to be at the bottom left here, but look for the power button first. Now, in this case, you want to go ahead and basically make sure that your car's ignition is turned off before proceeding with the actual reset. Now, this actually prevents any electrical issues during the reset process. Now, once you've done that, you want to go and just press or hold the power button down for about 10 to 15 seconds, and this actually helps discharge any residual power in your radio system and starts the reset process. Now, while still holding the power button here, turn on the ignition without starting the engine. Now, keep holding the button until the radio display starts resetting or initializing. Now, once you see the radio resetting here, you can go and just release the power button and the system will now go through its initialization process. Now, after the reset, you may need to set up your radio again. So that includes like adjusting the time and day here, checking for any custom settings, and reprogramming your save radio stations. But yeah. So if you're unable to reset or the reset process does not work here, so in this case you want to check if your radio is still in this case you want to check if the car if there are any car manual it could basically see or refer to. Usually they would have their own troubleshooting steps here, and also if the radio is still not functioning, consider seeking help from a Nissan dealership here or a professional technician. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line Up. Thank you for watching.